Hello. Welcome back to our video appointment. Today on a Friday, just analyzing XBT, so Bitcoin. We went to 10K, so it's important to actually take on it. Charting. Okay. So the story so far, we have our levels here. That's the target. Perfectly it. Then 261, that is white now. Then this one too, that is the 161. You already know that we want, we can retrace, but we don't want to go under 161 because it's gonna be dangerous for the move. Also because when you break down 161, you enter in the domain of the price. That is unfortunately a call for a big drop. So what you see here is that we went basically on the 361 and started the trace perfectly reverse on the 261 like usual. You know, you go there. There was also some divergence here that actually helped up create this move. Okay, you can see on the daily that we actually also engulfed the first candle, so this was a long also for that reason, but it was not able to go over 361 zone. Okay, most likely because now this became strong resistance. Okay, let's go on the detail 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour, we just call it, there is a flag breaking down, and in the group you have also the call for the order block. The order block is this one. Yeah, many people ask me how I find order block. Order block are orders, so just check order or you make them. So that's an order block. Okay, so that's a block. Did not let the price go over. There was also a small divergence here, so that's the crashing move here was because of the divergence, and as you can see, divergence went basically even more, split out even more than 461, but as you can imagine that this is the move because this is the apex. We went 161 on a regular calculation, reverse again. Okay, this is the reason for a reverse. So you go 161, you reverse, you have to close over. Okay, close over is a reverse mode. Just change the color so people have no troubles understanding. And this is also our support now. So support is accumulation of order for longs that did not, okay, long position can be took for 2% moves. Okay, this was the retest of the pivot. Let's go with the pivot. Yeah, now a lot of people doesn't know pivot, doesn't actually trade with it. You know, we do our stuff our way, so we don't actually, I don't actually care about mainstream indicators. Okay, most likely because they let you put order where everybody know. Meanwhile, I want to put order where I know. Okay, and one of them was this one. Okay, so 161 retested probably twice. This is a little over, but is the same. Can be just a design glitch. This is a flag that we saw before. This is very strong support at this time, okay? So when you have support like this, okay, that's not easy to break it down. The breakdown of this anyway will bring us probably down there. That is their second order, very important, the order that actually stopped us from crashing more. It's gonna be this guy here. Of course, to go there you need to break down this zone here and close under. Until you close over like here, the move will always be bullish. There's a reason also, another reason for this. We had the call for the liquidity for the pivot daily, but in stock market we had pumps to actually try to inverse the problem with the daily pivot, okay? So that is also something that fuel this move up. I said before that we can maybe even go here and make a bull flag. Just make it like this, something like this, okay? In case this WMA 50 doesn't actually let us crash too much, that's also part of the flag. So this breakdown is still part of the flag. This is not gonna break down right now, so it's gonna break down in a bit in case. So that's gonna be us going to this area that is also part of the design. Let's go on the higher time frame. So 1 hour is looking like a bear flag. 3 hours is still have time to close. We'll probably close and will fed compared to this support. 4 hour closed and Wolfed based on the support. So the 2 hour 50 to actually complete this target is the same. 6 hour looking like making an ABC correction. 1, 2, 3, no. This one ABC correction is this, something like this, something like this, okay? So is us probably continue. The 12 hour I told you is closed and will fed, so more downside, and I don't think too much, but more downside, and basically we're gonna have at a point the cross down also on 2 hour of the WMAs, okay? That will be the crash, because an accumulation of shorts on the table will move down the price till the target, okay? So that's the immediate target if you break down this. Most likely watching the 3 hour this time, 4 hour, because of this, okay? A close under WMA will most likely let you go here, and you can see that our strategy worked perfectly with our levels. So that is the target of the breakdown, okay? Most of the we don't lose volume, basically we lose buy volume, okay? Because this short was epic, this short is still very good, okay? The fact is that most likely now is the price of 10K was not accepted by the traders. We went just there, look, when that, well, almost there, okay? It was not accepted by the trader, so the trader doesn't like it, okay, and they let us retrace. The divergence you can see on the 1 hour is also visible on 3 hour. Sorry, it's also visible on the 3 hour. That is this one here. No valleys. 4 hour. Same plane, no valleys, so absolutely no valleys. So if this is a divergent situation, this is your target 1, 2 and 3, okay? Let's make this So this is over this one, so this is bullish compared. If it was more extended, there will be like troubles for the price. And this is last level that we can actually expect is a 8-7 situation. Remember that is a flip zone, so this is a flip zone in case. I have no idea what's going on there, so let me just check on the maybe 3 days one. Oh no, very far. No, 1 day is still under this. Okay, 1 day is still under. 1 day is not engulfed yet. Okay, so still hope, and this is a strong support. So in case it's gonna happen, this say it's gonna happen. Okay, probably. You know, we don't trust 100% indicators. This looks like a flag, so flag breakdown. You're gonna find a 161 retest. Probably was this one. Look, this is 161 retest of the border. Okay, then still probably going down for more. I was telling you about the markets. Look, London fixed. Look, closed under the pivot, and now is fixing it. This is the pump we had on Bitcoin, and pivot is here. You can generally go there. Today is Friday, so market tomorrow gonna be closed. So is also now closed because it's already closed. But generally he opened it over. So probably Monday gonna be opening with longs. Nikkei closed over daily, but under WMA 50, and Dow Jones that is still on the move is right over the pivot day. So this is still very good to go there. Okay, so if you play index, this can be a very good move. If you play index on brokers that give you a leverage, so a very good leverage, this can be big money out. Same situation was for S&P, same situation. Then gold, this is our setup for gold. Gold break out the wedgie and is over the cross. Okay, he is over the cross. Important is going to be to close over the fib zone, because you can see here we went there and retested and crash. It's going to be important to close over. Anyway, the gold is a 3 day, in the 3 days is very good. Okay, so I don't think we're going to have a lot of problems. Generally with gold pumping we have not a good mood on markets, so probably going to work on a COM or anything. COVID situation. Okay, so COVID situation will let probably the gold goes the gold go to the 361, that is this box here. Okay, then it's going to be flip zone. So this is going to be a flip zone for the asset, for any asset. Okay, let's get back to Bitcoin. Let's go on a small time frame and check what's going on. So you go small if you want to check the situation. Engulfed, 30 minutes engulfed. Doesn't count much, but is engulfed. This is not 15 minutes, not engulfed. Oh yes. Okay, you can see there is support around here, so the price not really crash. Okay, badly, because there is orders. Okay, same order that accumulate on the top, on the order block, accumulate on the bottom to actually have the price reverse. Okay, so this is it. Well, not fully bearish, but this reject of the 361 is quite clear, and the fully retest of the 261 was also very clear. Now, if this is a short plus retest, this is the retest of it. Okay, this is the retest of it, and this can go down probably even under 261. So we want to see how daily close, if is engulfed or not. Okay, if it's not engulfed, it can even turn up. Instead, if it's engulfed, then we're gonna probably go back to the 261 zone, understanding that we have 3 steps. By 2 designed here, gonna be look 3 steps here. Okay, the 361 usually is a flip zone, so it's gonna be something like that. The 361 is also the resistance we break out. Or this one. Okay, to do this, fantastic move, but still have to decide what's going on. But most likely because there are money on the table this time, it's not a regular crash. There's money on the table, so people are betting on price, and that's what make us more of the money. Okay, especially on margin trading. Okay, so for today is everything. Sorry, I will have another video on Monday. Monday will most likely also take a look on alts, because I want to see what's happening during the weekend. We're gonna, you can join our group anytime you want. You can also join our trading school anytime you want. Okay, just contact us and ask information. We are here to help you. Actually, we are here to guide you on the trading situation. Not, well, me, for example, I am here to guide you on the trading situation. Remembering all of you, because I know you guys, that trade on a weekend is quite difficult in terms of moves on volume. Okay, because sometimes there are stop hunting, stuff like that. So I'm remembering you to play, but to always have a stop loss set up in your trade, and also to not make it very far. So remember that if you put your stop loss far from you, is a loss. So the stop loss is there to prevent you to having a big loss, because if you take a hit, it's gonna be probably a lot of money. Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you next time. Ciao.